Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to compress images before uploading to a website using TinyPNG in 2026. So if your website is slow or your images are too large to upload, this guide will help you optimize everything step by step. First, check which images are too large on your PC. Usually anything in megabytes should be compressed before uploading. Next, open the TinyPNG website in your browser. So this free tool reduces image size without losing much quality. Now drag and drop your images into TinyPNG. It will automatically start compressing them for you. So once compression is complete, download the optimized images to your PC. These smaller files are ready for website upload. Next, upload these compressed images to your website instead of the original ones. This will help your pages load faster. Finally, test your website speed after uploading. So, optimized images usually improve loading time instantly. And that's how to compress images before uploading to a website using TinyPNG in 2026. Once you always optimize your images first, your website becomes faster and more professional.